Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you see from the title, today I'm making a summer drink, a vodka frozen lemonade. Perfect for the summer heat. If you want to see how I make this one, just keep on watching. First step, guys, is to add our ice to our blender along with our melon pieces. I'm also going to put some lime juice and pulse until it becomes a slush. Then we move on to the other flavors. Moving along to our second flavor, here I'm putting some pineapple and mango pieces in my blender, and I'm going to add some crushed ice, some vodka of course, but this can omit, and I'm going to cover and pulse just as we did the first one. But for this one I'm going to pour half out, and then we move on to the step for the other flavor. Moving along to our third flavor, here I'm adding some creme de menthe, and I'm also going to put a drop of green food coloring. Cover and pulse as we did the others. For the green also, I'm going to add some vodka, but as I said earlier on, this is optional. You can omit the vodka, okay? Now that we had our three colors that we're looking for, I'm going to add some cherry liquor to our melon slush. Then we're going to assemble. You can add whichever color first. But for me, I'm adding the red, green, and gold. Of course, that's Rasta color, Jamaican here. When making these at home, guys, you can use whichever fruits you have available. I just use what was available to me and play around with my colors. And again, as I said, you can omit the alcohol and just make it in plain frozen lemonade. Looking at these colors, guys, we can see that summer is really in the air. For me, these are perfect for a hot summer day to just chill. Hope you guys find this video useful, and also try making these. As I said, you can use whichever fruits you have available. Play around with the colors. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. Please put your notification bell on, so as soon as I upload, you'll be first to get notified. And as usual, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time. Bye bye.